Tiffin says, "Hiya, Calli. The stream was perfect timing. One I could watch from start to finish. Just wanted to say, your voice reminds me of Candace from Phineas and Ferb." I cannot explain. I cannot and will not explain how, it just does. Have a wonderful rest of your day and keep it that, babe. It's pretty funny, actually. I mean, I really like Perry the Platypus, so, I mean, all good. Fine comparison. What? Haha. How? I can't unhear it. I can kind of see. Can you do a Candace impression? It's too embarrassing. Say the line. Mom! Phineas and Ferb are sending a super chat about me. Mom! No! No! It does kind of sound... Just... That's funny, Tiffin. Thanks. Can never unhear. That is pretty funny. Thank you for letting me know. Big Perry the Platypus fan here.